आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इंडियन इकोनॉमी। ठीक है, तो इसका पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। प्राइस ऑफ टोटल कमोडिटीज प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड सर्विस विद इन ए कंट्री इन ए गिवन ईयर इज नोन एज, विच इज नोन एज जीडीपी। ठीक है, हु एस्टिमेट द नेशनल इनकम डाटा इन इंडिया, विच इज द सेंट्रल स्टैटिक्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। The most appropriate measure of a country economic growth is it. Correct answer is the per capita real income. On which date GST was introduced in India? तो आप सबको पता है 1 जुलाई 2017 को हुआ था। ठीक है, टैक्स कमीशन इन इंडिया established in the year which is established in 1961. Fiscal policy is used which is used to regulate money supply. When was special economic zone SEI introduced, which is April 2000. ठीक है, which one of the following statement is not true for service tax, which is it is a direct tax. Tobin tax is referred to, which is the tax to prevent speculative fight of capital. Which of the following taxes are levied by the center and not shared between center and the state, which is the income tax, union excise duty, custom duty, corporation tax, and hence custom duties and corporation tax. ठीक है, C option is correct. The MODVAT scheme is aimed to which avoid repeated payment of duty from the raw material stage to final product stage. Which one of the following bank is not included in the amalgamation of three public sector bank, which is a Punjab National Bank? Which bank was started the facility of cardless cash withdrawal from ATM, which is ICICI Bank? Which of the following function is not related to RBI, which is leading of money to public? ठीक है, if the impact and incidence of tax is imposed on one and the same person, then it is known as direct tax. Next question देखते हैं. What is the name of German currency, which is a mark? Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? तो SEB सिक्योरिटी मार्केट रेगुलेटरी बॉडी जो करेक्ट है, RBI बैंकिंग रेगुलेटरी बॉडी विच इज करेक्ट, SBI कॉमर्शियल बैंक है, IDBI वर्ल्ड बैंक ये आपका गलत है। ठीक, ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेट्स ऑफ RBI रिफर टू विच इज ट्रेडिंग इन सिक्योरिटीज। इनसाइड ट्रेडिंग इज रिलेटेड टू विच इज शेयर मार्केट। A repo rate is the rate at which is the Reserve Bank of India leads to bank. The banks in India are required to maintain a certain ratio between their cash in hand and total asset. This is called which is SLR. The bank rate is the rate at which is the RBI given credit to commercial bank. Study the following statement about the Reserve Bank of India and select your answer given in the code below, which is the it is the apex body, which is correct. It regulates the money supply, which is correct, and it gives loans and business houses, which is wrong. It supervises the organization of NABARD, which is wrong. Okay, hence option A is correct. The Reserve Bank of India was established in the year which is 1935. Which of the following is not associated with the scheme of Swabhiman launched in February 2011, which is the self-employment? Duration of financial year in India is which is a 1st April to 31st March. In India, inflation is measured by which is a wholesale price index. Examine the following statement and find the correct answer from the code given below, which is assertion. If the market rate of interest fall, then the price shall rise. And next one is the reason price rise as a result of increase in the demand. Hence, both statement is true and R is the correct explanation of A. Characteristics of developing country are which is the low per capita income, increasing pressure of population on economy, capital deficiency, and all of the above. Gilt-edged market means which is a market of government securities. Devaluation means decreasing in external value of money. The concept of inclusive growth refers to economic growth that which is the benefits environmental sustainability. The target average annual rate growth of industrial production in the 10th 5-year plan is which is the 8%. दुर्गापुर भिला भिलई और रोकेला steel plant were set up during which is the correct and the second 5-year plan. Consider the following statement about 11 5-year plan, which is the project growth rate of GDP is 8.5, investment rate as percentage GDP is 33.6%, domestic saving rate as percentage of GDP is 30%, growth rate of export is 16%. तो इसमें से कोई भी आंसर सही नहीं है, ठीक है. How many crops are recommended by Agriculture Cost and Price Commission of India of minimum support price, which is 23? Which of the following committee suggests that doubling the farmer income, which is the Swaminathan committee? Which of the following correctly match? तो आपको पता है कि ब्लू फिशरी से, ठीक है. इंद्रधनुष क्या कृषि से रिलेटेड, नीली क्रांति मत्स्य पालन, नीली क्रांति मीन्स मछली पालन, ठीक है. और पीली क्रांति सरसों का उत्पादन और सफेद क्रांति मीन दूध का उत्पादन, ठीक है. हु इज नोन एज आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन इन इंडिया, which is the Dr. Swaminathan. What is the responsible for nitrogen fixation by humus, which is the ribosome? Okay. Soybean seed contain which is 40% protein and 20% of oil. The largest cooperative milk society, Anand Dairy of India, is located in the state of, which is in the state of Gujarat. Which of the following is not a kharif crop, which is the lentil? The rotation intensity of maize, mustard, Mong crop is which is 300%. Rainbow Revolution of India is related with which is agricultural development. The contribution of agriculture in India economy is which is decreasing. The primary objective of greenhouse cultivation of vegetable is which is to get off-season yield. How many categories are there in Mudra Yojana to provide loan for self-employment to entrepreneurs, which is the 3? Where is the oldest oil refinery of India location, which is a Big Boy? Which one of the following central public sector enterprises is not included in the top 10 profit marketing enterprises? Correct one is the National Textile Corporation Limited. The output of primary, secondary, tertiary and foreign sector makeup of the country GDP identify the item where is not included in the secondary sector, which is a mining. India's first defense industrial park will come up which of the following state, which is Kerala. The 6th Pay Commission was chaired by which is the B.N. Krishna. In India, service sector means mining and quarrying, transport and communication, hotels, forestry and fishing. Hence, only transportation and communication and the hotels are in the correct. 2 and 3 is correct. Which of the following is not located in the Golden Quadrilateral National Highway, which is a Kanyakumari? National Renewal Fund had been constituted for the purpose of which is the social security. Discussed unemployment is usually found in which is a primary sector. Which of the following statement is not true about Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana? Which one is not correct? So which one the annual premium has been fixed at 300? ठीक है, B वाला गलत था, B option. Which one of the following crop is not included in the National Food Security Mission, which is the oil seeds? Following are said to be some of the silent feature of National Agriculture Insurance Scheme. First, the scheme is meant for all loans and non-loan farmers. They compulsory for all loanee and non-loan farmers. Amongst commercial horticulture crops, only 7 such as sugarcane, potato, chilies, ginger, onion, etc. are covered. Small and marginal farmers are provided subsidy of 50% premium. Hence, 1 and 3rd and 4th one is correct. Which one of the following project has been launched for prevention of AIDS in the northeastern state of India, which is Project Sunrise? The community development program was introduced in the year which is the 1952. Which of the following characteristics not included in Human Development Index, which is the growth of population? what is the place of India amongst 158 countries of the world according to World Happiness Index 2015 report released by UN in April 2015, which is the 117th rank. The purpose of Indian brand equity fund at on, which is the make made in India a label of quality, which is not imported India, which is the iron ore. Balance of payment is a record of, which is the record of all transaction of country with the rest of the world. Assertion and reasoning. ठीक है, देखते हैं assertion. Recently there has been a significant increase in the foreign exchange reserve of India. Invisible export has been much higher than the invisible import in term of dollar. Hence, both statement true, but R is not correct explanation of it. Which of the following statement is not correct? Which is the official language UN is a German language, which is wrong. Which one of the following combination are correctly matched? तो आपको पता है WHO जेनेवा में है, ठीक है, ये आपका सही है. India won legal battle against the US in the patenting of the medical plants of which is the neem. How many countries constitute the European Union now? तो इसमें आपको रॉन्ग है, ठीक है. आगे देखते हैं. The paper gold means which is the special drawing rights of the International Monetary Fund. A firm under perfect competition in long run will earn, which is the normal profit. Make in India campaign start on, which is start 25th September 2014. Clean India mission was inaugurated on, which is the 2nd October 2014. Who was appointed the Minister of Minister Rehabilitation set up on 6th September 1947, which is KC Yogi. Who among the following was elected as a chairperson of International Monetary Fund IMF 2011, which is क्रिस्टिनो लागार्ड. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमारा इंडियन इकोनॉमिक्स खत्म होता है. ठीक है, अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कोई नया यूनिट स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल.